Using the private eye. Private eye is a section that you can use to search uh, by different data in a browser, and you can find information about a prospect that maybe you only have the caller ID, or maybe you only have a few elements, maybe the URL, maybe the email. It is right here, so you would click on it. There are several options that you can see in the tooltip, etc. But for now, you just click on it, and let's forget for a second all these options so you can explore. But the most important is the rightmost, the Google one, so you can click enter, and you have the option to add a word here. So any word then that it could be appropriate that you would like to add to your search. But most importantly is the different fields here. So you're gonna, for example, find by phone number 1. You can do a multiple selection, but usually with 1 is the best results. And then you click search, and well, we find different. In this case, this number is fake, or is maybe someone, but who knows what it is fake information. So you're not going to find a valid thing. But in reality, what happens is that you may find, for example, somebody in Facebook with a phone number, or with the email. You find somebody in Facebook, and then you take information from Facebook to feed, to copy and paste to your database, and that way, well, you can complement the information that you have on the prospect, and have a way to know more. Maybe when you're going to talk to this prospect, you're going to know more about him. That would be very useful, even if it is a trivial information, like the way where he's living, for example. It can be trivial information to talk about the weather, but in any event, is a very useful feature. You should use it to find information and complete your database with addresses and emails and URLs that otherwise you wouldn't have in the first place. So I invite you to use it, and also you can use it from here. So in other words, if you want to, for example, do it again, so to speak, because you didn't, maybe you found with the phone, you found the email. Now you're gonna do another search. So you have the private eye here, and you're gonna do another search from the email. In this case, this email is totally fake. So again, probably we're not gonna find anything useful. But when you have real information, you will see that you will find very useful information. Thanks.